morning students. Welcome once again to the SRBPS online classes. Today's video is going to be a very interesting video because what we are going to learn today is a very quick method to find out the square of any number almost without using pen and paper. So let's start. As already we have done, children, the identity number 1. This is the identity number 1 where the identity number 1 will be first term square plus second term square plus 2 multiply first term into second term, or we can say 2 times of the product of first and second term. Let's suppose if I ask you to find out the square of 102 without traditional multiplication, or I'll show you the traditional multiplication when we are multiplying the number. How we are multiplying it? 2 2s are 4, 0, 2, then 0, 0, 0, then 1, 0, 2, then we will add the numbers and thereby we will get the answer. Right? What if I will orally multiply it? Right? So, as we can see here, this is the number 102. So, can I write this number as this 102? First, I will show you how to do it on a paper, right? It is a board, I know that. And then I will tell you how we can do it orally. So, we can break the number in 102. So, this is my first term and this is my second term. So, as per the identity, if I'll do the square of the first term, so square of 100 would be 10,000, right? Square of second term, it would be 4, and 2 times of first term multiply second term, so it would be 400. So 10,000 plus 400 would be 10,400 plus 4. So the answer would be, sorry, there is a mistake. So answer would be what? 10,404. Right? Now you must be thinking, ma'am, it is taking a little more time. I'll show you how it can take a very less time. And I can bet you people that it is very difficult to orally multiply the number in this manner. But we can orally multiply the number by using this concept. Let me show you with one more example. Let's suppose the number is 104 square. Right? Now we know that 104. So 100 square is 10,000. 4 square is 16. So we can write it straight away. 100 square is 10,000. 4 square is 16. Right? And 2 times of the first and the second numbers product. So 2 times 2 into 100 into 4. What it will be? 800. So when we will add all the numbers, what we will get? We will get 10816. 10,816. So isn't it quick? Let me show you one more example. Let's suppose the number is 203 square. Right? Again we will break down the number in 2 parts. 200 plus 3. So 200 square is 40,000. Right? Then 3 square is 9. Right? Now 200 into 3 will be 600, and 600 into 2 will be 1200. So the answer would be 40,1209. 40,1209. So isn't it a quicker method to solve this question orally? With a few practices, you can easily be able to do the same question orally within few seconds. Right? Now we will discuss the same thing with the second identity. Let me show you few examples with the second identity as well. We all know that second identity means when the subtraction sign is given. Right? Now let's start with the 2-digit number only. 99 square. Right? We want to find out the square of 99. If you wanted to find it out by traditional method, 99 multiply 99. I think it is difficult, right? So let it write it as 100 minus 1 ka square. Right? We can write first number square. My first number is 100. So 100 square is 10,000. Right? 1 square means only 1. Right? So now it is going to be subtracted, because in between what we are going to write, we are going to write 2 into first term multiply second term. So my first term is 100, my second term is 1, 100 ones are 100, 100 twos are 200. So orally it is easier if you subtract 200 from 10,000. What it will be? 9800, right? And 9800 plus 1 would be 9801. So isn't it easy? It's really easy, I hope. Now the last example I'm going to show you with the same identity. Now let's see if the number is 96 square, right? So now it would be 100 minus 4 whole square, right? Its square would be 10,000. Its square would be 16. Now 100 into 4 will be 400, right? 2 into 100 into 4. So 4 twos are 8, 800. So in between 800 would be, so 10,000 minus 800 will be 9,200. 9,200 plus 16 will be 9,216. So 9,216 is the square of 96. So children, I hope you understood both the identities well. So thank you so much. Stay happy and bye-bye.